We've had an interesting new development lately in our life. The one thing I noticed, used to be when you'd find stuff laying around, people throwing things out onto the street, and it'd be like cigarette packages or matchbook things. And then it went into, like you see, face masks laying down in their street. Well, now we were out walking the other day, and we hear this weird noise going over, and we didn't know what the heck it was, and it was, when we couldn't figure out what it was, and finally we looked up and saw it's a drone. It's an Amazon drone coming and delivering a package to our neighbor, where they just come and they just drop it in your driveway. And so the interesting thing is when something like that happens, you're always putting it back into your system of experiences. Like, what is that? Well, you've never had that noise experience going over your house before, and so you can't put it into any kind of compact little thing. Oh yeah, I know what that is. Well, I do now, but a couple of weeks ago, I didn't know what this noise was going over, and it goes over there a lot. This guy's ordering a whole bunch of stuff, but it's drones, and now I notice them. You just look at them and go, oh, there's a drone going over. There's a drone. So it's a whole new thing in our lifestyle that life has just changed. We can tell our great grandkids later and say, back in the day, we didn't even have drones before, and then to them it's a very common, ordinary, normal thing that happens. But with us, we never had that when we were young. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Nonstop Aha Moments by Heather Clark, and I will talk to you again next week.